thank you so much first of all giving us your time and like
No problem at all.
yeah, so like we just introduced you to our app. So how do you feel? How it gonna be bringing up such app in the like community?
Yeah, I think it's a pretty unique idea, and it's, I think, helpful as a practice assistant. So even if you're taking lessons with somebody and you're going on a weekly basis and you're working on your timing or certain chords or whatever, you have something that is going to assist you within that week, and hopefully kind of help you in not really going in the wrong direction. So I think in that sense it's extremely helpful.
So like आपने ऐसे पहले कभी app use किए हो and what your journey been and like how do you feel?
No, I think for me it's been the very old school way. I've been playing now for 30 years, so I've come from an era when there was no internet. There was an analog metronome which would increase by 6, 8, 12, 15 bpm at a time, so there was nothing in between. So I've gone through and come up the hard way. So all this is like absolutely unique, or what you say, extremely high end metronomes and practice assistants for the current generation. If I had something like this back in the day, undoubtedly I would use it, without a shadow.
I was like coming on to that like being the time अगर वहाँ पे तब होता so
Yeah.
like how would it be?
Absolutely. If it was something that was available, I think every single person would use it. We were using whatever was available back in the day, whatever best device we had, and it was simply an analog metronome. But today you can actually make use of these kind of fancy apps, which is on your phone, which you carry with you all day long. So yeah, it's a great thing.
We have like a feature coming also like with Dhun AI as we like introduce that is something that we again help to like get AI to generate like backend right generation along with the guitar that you are playing with some idea with that. So like how do you feel about it?
Yeah, I mean, as a musician, I am not really in support of an AI replacing a musician. But if it's something like this, which is kind of just allowing you to kind of generate ideas and not really allow you to kind of use it in production, and just allows you to kind of create some sort of a riff that you have in mind and just sit on the couch and kind of get ideas as to what your drummer could play for you. It's fantastic.
Yeah, as you said that you don't like the idea of like replacing musicians, so we have it like very set with our features and everything that we are not here to replace musician but to help with the features that are coming up. So that's our idea with the app as you felt.
Absolutely. I mean, that's fantastic because then you kind of blending the best of both worlds. You're using technology to kind of have a concrete idea, and then having your musicians kind of take that and put their feel and effort and vibe into it.
Thank you so much for helping us out with the feedback and everything. And like anything that you wanna say.
I mean, I guess you guys are developing something that's really fun and helpful for people who are practicing, and allowing that kind of in your within your framework of what do you say, your time when you're not spending with your teacher. I think this becomes a great tool to kind of work on your playing. So yeah, it's a fantastic initiative.
Thank you so much, sir. It's been great hearing from you, and thank you so much for giving your time. It's been
Welcome, and I wish you guys all the best.
thank you so much.